welcome guys. So keep solving our physics GRE. Okay, so 55. Okay, mean temperature, mean kinetic energy of electron in the metal at room temperature is usually many times the thermal. Okay, so ask about what? Ask kinetic energy electrons. So ask about electrons, right? So which one is corresponding to electrons? The answer is Pauli exclusion principle. Done. Right? There's nothing one can say, right? Because this is the boson satisfies this, boson can satisfy this, boson satisfy this, boson satisfy this. So the only related to electron is B. Okay. So 56. Ask about at least one, the common sense, right? This is the mean value of x. So the answer should be C. Just or people say like to say the expectation value of x. And the 58 said, oh, the momentum operator is this, and which one is the momentum eigenstate? So what you need is which have this property. So the phi is exponential ikx or minus ik. Oh. Should be minus ik because 1 minus I is. Right, so. So which one is correct? Oh, no, I'm correct. So this one should be this one. Okay, so if you add this one on minus ik, then you will have this term. And this will give you minus h bar k. So the answer is plus. The answer is plus. The answer is D. It's easy to check because minus h bar on this one will produce another ik. So this is h bar k. So the answer is D. The answer is D. Okay, and then you can basically do each one, and because when you do the differentiation, cosine will become sine, sine will become cosine. So and now none of this, right? So the only is D. The only answer is D. Okay, 58. Ask about hologram. Basically, hologram needs two of it. Basically, is the amplitude and the phase. So the answer is B. This is somehow asked about the scientific common sense. So there's you just need to remember. Okay, 58 ask about this. Tell you this one. But he asked about the group velocities. So we need to do the differential in respect to k. Okay. So when you do the limit as k goes to 0, what is the group velocities go? What is the group velocities go? So when k goes to 0, which is 0, right? Because k approximates to 0. But when k goes to infinity, then this m squared term is somehow like it can be neglected. So basically we have ck over c squared k, which is c. So the only one is this one. Since if you already did the two approximation, then you can easily get a correct answer, which is E. Which is E. Okay, number 60. A particle mass moving along a x-axis potential and what's harmonic motion, simple harmonic motion, or with its frequency determined by what? Let me see. Okay, so basically your equation of motion is f equals to ma, right? So f is the velocity respect to x. So you know that when you do the differential with respect to x, then a will disappear. So so you only get 2bx. So then you have 2bx equals to ms squared. This one. So this is the equation of motion. So the only depend is m and b. M and B. So the answer is M and B alone. M and B alone. So the answer is C. Answer is C. Okay, that's it. I will see you guys in the next video, and then be sure to subscribe to my channel.